Stella. Are you going to dump out all those clothes? Stella, can you talk to me? Are you going to put your book in there? Standing all by herself. Woo, that was awesome, Stella. Yeah, that's a good book. That's a good book. Is that a good book? Say book. Stella. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty girl. Oh! You try and get Mama's camera? Woo! Good standing. Standing, standing, standing. Oh my gosh, Stella.